Welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness Bootcamp. You are here because you want clarity, control, and confidence in your business finances. This group is the waiting room for the Sholadram 247 Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness Masterclass. While you are here, stay active, read updates, and ask relevant questions. Valuable tips and announcements will be shared to prepare you for the training. Your decision to join is a smart one. Your bookkeeping breakthrough starts here. While you are in this waitlist group, pay close attention. You will receive simple bookkeeping tips, tax readiness insights, and important updates ahead of the master class. This training is designed for business owners who want to stop guessing and start running their business with clarity. Stay active, ask questions, do not mute the group. Preparation starts now. To ensure effective communication in this group, please always react to my messages after reading them. Reactions help me confirm you have seen important updates, instructions, and announcements. Messages without reaction will be assumed as not read. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's keep this group organized and productive. Important reminder: the Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness Bootcamp starts now. So make sure to listen attentively till the end of this video so as to be on a safer side. Stay active in the group. This short session will help you understand the basic of bookkeeping and why it is non-negotiable for every serious business owners. Stay focused, read every message carefully, and react to confirm you are following. The training will take place in a closed group for now and will be open later for questions and answers. Let's begin. Lesson 1. What bookkeeping really means. Bookkeeping is simply the daily recording of what comes into your business and what goes out. If money enters your business and you do not record it, it is not bookkeeping. If money leaves your business and you do not record it, it is not bookkeeping. You do not need to be an accountant to do bookkeeping. You only need consistency and simple records. Without bookkeeping, you are guessing. With bookkeeping, you are in control. And being in control is what you need so as to be a step ahead of those who are not in control of their businesses. Lesson 2. Why most businesses struggle. Most businesses do not fail because they lack customers. They fail because they do not know their numbers. When you do not track income and expenses, you cannot tell if expenses are draining your business or not. Bookkeeping exposes problems early. Ignoring records only delays the problem. Lesson 3. The 3 basic records every business must keep. Every business, no matter the size, must keep these 3 records. Number 1, income record. What comes into the business. Number 2, expenses record. What goes out of the business. Number 3, profit or loss record. The differences between income and expenses. These 3 records alone can already change how you run your business, either as a big business or a small business owner. Let's move to the 4th lesson, which is our lesson 4 for today. Simple tools you can use for bookkeeping. You do not need complex software to start bookkeeping. Number 1, a notebook. Number 2, a simple spreadsheet. Number 3, Notes app on your phone. What matters is not the tool, but consistency. Record every income and expenses daily. In the masterclass, you will be shown the best tools to use as your business grows. Important note: this bootcamp is only a foundation. The full breakdown, templates, step-by-step method, and tax readiness guidance will be covered in the Sholadrem 247 Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness Master Class. Details on registration will be shared soon. Stay active. Here is a question which I want you to drop your answer in the comment section. What is your biggest challenge with bookkeeping right now? A. I do not know how to start bookkeeping. B. I do not record consistently. C. I miss business and personal money. D. I do not understand profit or loss. Reply to this question with the letter that applies to you as a business owner who is listening to me presently. So type that particular stage that you are. Is it the stage A, stage B, stage C, or stage D? Yes, I can see your responses. I am seeing your responses. I can see your responses. That's good. Yes. I can see our answers dropping in the group. Okay, yes. I appreciate those responding. Your participation shows your seriousness towards setting up your business the right way. Bookkeeping is not about tax alone. It helps you price correctly, control wastes, and grow with confidence. Businesses that keep records survive longer than businesses that do not keep record. Take it or leave it. Thank you for your reactions. I can see the reactions coming in. Thank you all for your participations. We will continue with practical insight and next steps. If you want to benefit fully, stay active and do not mute the group. Thank you all for your participations. Attention business owners. Do you know someone serious about taking control of their finances and surviving the next tax era? Share this video with them and let them also gain value and learn something new. Thank you to everyone who stayed active yesterday. What we shared was just the foundation. Tonight, we move from basic understanding to real value. I will be showing you what it takes to keep proper record consistently and stay tax ready as a business owner. This is also where I will explain the full bookkeeping and tax readiness masterclass, how it works and how you can secure your spots. Drop it in the comment section that you are ready for us to continue. Everything shared in this bootcamp so far is just the foundation. If you truly want to keep proper bookkeeping records without confusion, understand your profit or loss clearly, stay tax ready and avoid future issues, run your business with confidence and structure, then you need the full training. I am officially opening registration for the Sholadrem 247 Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness Masterclass. This masterclass is practical and step by step. You will be guided on simple bookkeeping system, daily and monthly record routine, tools and templates you can reuse, how to prepare your business for tax requirements. This is not free knowledge and it is not for unserious people. The normal training fee is 10,000 naira, but I will be giving a 50% discount to just few people. Discounted price is 5,000 naira only for the first 20 people. Payment details and registration instructions will be shared next. If you are interested and ready to take the next step, click the link below this video and send a DM right away. Do not watch this and walk away. This 5,000 naira decision can save you years of costly mistakes and position you to earn confidently before the price goes up. People who delay this step usually regret it. 5,000 naira is a small price to pay now. Compared to the lesson and confusion this training will help you avoid. Here is a quick breakdown of what this upcoming class will cover so you know what to expect. In the training, you will learn step by step how to understand what bookkeeping is and importance to your business. Track your daily sales, expenses, and profits. Record everyday transaction properly. Avoid mixing business money with personal money. Track your inventory if you are a product-based business. Generate reports for your daily, weekly, and monthly transactions. Generate reports that your business can use to grow. Use a simple bookkeeping tool to automate everything. We will be learning all this and others with an accounting software that is free and easy to use. The training is practical, beginner friendly, and designed for anyone who is a business owner, online vendors, self-employed, freelancers, and anyone who wants to earn from bookkeeping in 2026. This class is a 2 week class. The fee is 10,000 naira, but for the first 20 persons, it's 5,000 naira. Once 20 persons pay, fee reverts to 10,000. Class starts this month. Make your payment and drop the payment receipts in my DM for confirmation, after which you will be added to the master group where the class will hold. I will see you in the inside. I wish you best of luck. If you are yet to join the WhatsApp group, indicate in the comment section and the group link will be directed to you for you to be a partaker in the oncoming class. Bye for now. Welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how you can know your business profits, manage documents, and better organize your business finances. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria, Shuladrem 247, we will be looking at the basic of bookkeeping, which is how to understand the basic of bookkeeping. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand and know the basic thing you need to know about bookkeeping. So all you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end for you to gain knowledge and for a proper understanding of why we are here. Let's proceed. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the systematic recording of all financial transactions of a business. These transactions include money coming into the business, which is income or sales, money going out of the business, which is your expenses or purchase on what you bought, and money being owed to the business, that is debtors or trade receivable, and so on. In simple terms, bookkeeping helps you track your money, your business finance, so you can always know these three things. Number one, how much you are earning. Number two, how much you are spending. And number three, whether your business is making a profit or the business is making loss. With Zoho Books, bookkeeping becomes easier, faster, and more accurate. Reasons why every business must have a knowledge of bookkeeping. Let's go deep into it. Why you need to have this knowledge about bookkeeping as a business owner. Number one, to know if the business is making profit or loss. Without bookkeeping, many business owners only assume they are making profits. Bookkeeping shows the real financial position of a business. Number two, to track income and control expenses. Bookkeeping helps one to see where your money is coming from and where the money is going to. This helps to identify unnecessary expenses and improve profitability. Number three, to separate personal income from business income. Poor bookkeeping often leads to missing personal and business funds. With proper bookkeeping, one can run their business professionally and avoid confusion. Number four reasons why every business must have a knowledge of bookkeeping is to make better business decisions with accurate records. A business owner can set the right prices, plan for growth, know when to cut costs, and invest more. Good decisions are based on good records. And number five is to prepare for tax, loans, and business growth. Government agencies, banks, and investors require proper financial records. Bookkeeping ensures your business is always ready for tax filing, for loans, and for expansion. Zoho Books helps every business owners to, number one, record transaction correctly. It will help you to record your transaction correctly. And number two, track customers and expenses. Zoho Books will help you to track down your customers and the expenses that your business is into. Then number 3, generate profit report automatically. You will always have a profit report that you can make use of at any time. Throughout this course, you will learn how to use Zoho Books step by step, even if you are not an accountant. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like, do well to click on that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, drop your question in the comment section. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladvem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed. Welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how you can know your business profits, manage documents, and better organize your business finances. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria Shuladvem 247, you will be looking at key records that every business owner must have. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand and know the records that every business owner needs to have. Let's go straight into it. The key records every business owner must keep are of different records, and everything will be taken note of in this video. So make sure you watch till the very end. Number 1 record is sales or income record. A sales or income record is a record that shows and displays all the money that is earned by a particular business. Examples are cash sales, bank records or transfers, or credit sales. These are sales record. Why it is important? It is important to take note of sales record because it helps you to know your total revenue, helps calculate profit, and prevent underpricing and income leakage. The second one is expenses record. Expenses record is the kind of record that shows all the money spent while running the business. Examples are rent, electricity, transportation, inventory purchase of whatsoever that you buy. It is under expenses record. Now, why is it important? It is important because it helps control unnecessary spending and helps identify high-cost areas. It also ensures correct profit calculations. Number 3, cash and bank records. These are the kind of records that shows how money moves in and out of your business account. Examples are cash payments, bank deposits, bank transfers, POS settlements, and so on. Why it is important is because it helps avoid cash shortage and also helps to detect missing money. Another reason why it's important is that it ensures correct bank balance. So with your cash and bank records, your balance will always be correct. That takes us to the next one, which is number 4. Number 4 is customer records. Customer records is the kind of records that shows people that are owing your business some amount of money. Examples are credit customers or part payment customers. Why it is important is because it gives you room to do follow-up for unpaid sales and improve cash flow. It also prevents forgotten debts. The next one is supplier or vendor records. This kind of record shows people your business owns some amount of money. Once you have your supplier records, it will display those that you yourself as a business owner or as your own business entity that you are owing some amount of money. And examples are suppliers, service providers, utility companies, and so on and so forth. Why is it important? It is important because it helps to manage due payments and maintain good relationship with suppliers. It also prevents late payment penalties. And the number 6 is asset records. Asset record is that kind of record that shows what the business owns. Examples include equipment, vehicles, office fittings, and so on and so forth. Why is it important? It is important because it helps to track business value. It also prevents misuse and loss of assets. And it's useful for insurance and reporting. Before we move to the last one, if you have watched this video to this extent and you are yet to like, kindly smash on that like button and also subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification so as to get notified each time I drop new videos. Let's proceed. The next one is tax records. Tax record shows tax charged, collected, and paid. I said earlier that if you are selling goods or services that is vatable and you want to be charging VAT, you can charge the VAT, just as I explained earlier that you are going to be needing to be certified to be able to collect the VAT for those products. Once you have your VAT certificate, you are good to go to impute tax charges on the product or services you are selling, and at the end of the month you are going to remit it to the government. So if you fall under the category of those kind of business that charges VAT, feel free to reach out to me so as to put you through on how you need to get your VAT certificate that will make you to be able to collect the VAT, because without a VAT certificate you are not licensed, you are not expected to charge VAT on any products or services. So in the next video I will explain in details those goods and services and those kind of operations that fall under the category of collecting the VAT charge. So make sure you watch the next video. As we proceed in this training, we will learn how to add VAT to each of our products. Examples include the VAT, the payee, and withholding tax. Why it is important? It is important because it helps with tax compliance, avoid penalty and fines, and make tax filing easier for every business owners. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed. Welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how you can know your business profits, manage documents, and better organize your business finances. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria Sholadrim 247, we will be looking at how to get the Zoho software. And so, to get the Zoho book, we will be using our Chrome browser or any kind of browser that you have access to on your phone, either the Kiwi browser, Brave browser, Firefox, name it. Any kind of browser is what you can use to access the Zoho app. So right now, all you need to do is to come down to your Chrome browser or any browser, click on it. Once it opens up, you are going to be accessing the Zoho app from here. I believe and I can see that we are eager and happy to get started. So let's go. So what you will be typing on the spot is www.zoho.com/books. I repeat, www.zoho.com/books. That is what you are going to input there. You can see it up here showing blue. Then you click on enter or search and give it time to load up for you, so as for you to be able to access it. So you need to give time to load up. Let it finish loading. You can see the blue tiny icon that is moving at the top of where I have the blue interface has not gotten to the end. So you allow it to load till the end before you proceed anything. You can see that line is moving now. It has stopped again. So once it moves to the end, it has completely loaded up the Zoho software on your phone. And voila, it will load up this interface for you. Once you arrive at this interface, this is your first dashboard on the Zoho Books. This is how the Zoho book interface looks like. If you look at the left hand side, you are going to be seeing the logo of Zoho book right there. Right now, if you look at the upper part, we have features, we have pricing, we have solution, we have customers, we have partner with us, and we have resources. So each of these spots has their own use. They have what they are basically used for. So let's just do a kind of tour. You can see under the features we have core features, we have effortless accounting. Click on pricing and let it take you to pricing. Then you are going to be seeing all of these sections. In this pricing section, they have the free mode, they have the standard, which is 4,320 per month. But if you are to pay for 12 months at a time, at a go, you'll be paying 3,600 per month. Then they have the professional package. Under the professional package, you will be using 9,120 naira if you want to access it for 1 month. But if you want to access it for 12 months, you are going to be paying 7,600 times 12. So that is how you access the professional mode package on the Zoho book. Then the next one is the premium package. Same thing goes to premium package. If you are accessing it just for 1 month, then you'll be paying 13,920 naira. But if you want to use it for 12 months straight down, you'll be paying 11,600 naira. So there are discounts on each of it. Then the elite is 61,920 naira. While if you want to use it for 12 straight months, you will be paying 51,600 per month instead. So the next one and the last one is the ultimate. Gain deeper insights with advanced business intelligence, intelligence capability. So to access the ultimate package of Zoho Book, you will be using 119,520 naira. That is if you just want to use it for 1 month under this ultimate package. But if you want to use it for 12 months under that same ultimate package, the money will be reduced. There is a discount and you'll be paying 99,600 times 12 for the package. So I know someone is saying, oh, I thought it's a free software. Yes, it is free. There is free package of it and there is paid package of it. So it now depends on you which one you want to go for. And I believe after you use the free package to get used to the software, you can upgrade to any package of your choice. So that is that about the pricing. And if you are ready to create your account, make sure you click on that particular spot which you have is 0 naira when creating your account. This is very important because if you don't click on this place and you just go and click on get started with free trial that you always see in the first dashboard, then your free account will not last more than 14 days. So I hope you get it. I hope you understand. So if you are to create the account, make sure you create your account on this free spot, which is the one with the 0 naira. So here we have solution. You can see, just go around the app, customers here, then partner with us is at this spot, and resources. So all of these are the things that you can get familiar with on the Zoho Book app. So right now we will go into registering properly. And what will you do? Make sure you did not start your registration from this particular interface that we are seeing that is showing blue. Don't do it, because if you click on that start my free trial, then it means you are not creating a total free account on the Zoho Book. I hope you get it. So what you need to do is to come to this pricing. Once the pricing has loaded up, you click on where you have a 0 naira to start your free account. So here now you click on this particular 0 naira. If you look at it here, it has its different package. All of it has their own different packages that are involved in each of it. The advantage of what you can use them So that is that about that. So for this particular account, which is a free account, you will be benefiting the following. You'll be able to create invoice, quotes, expenses and journals. You will manage vendors, sales receipts, meal age tracking, accept online payments, manage credit and refund, enable self-service customer portal, automate payment reminder, bank reconciliation, set up recurring invoice, P&L, balance sheet and 50 plus reports, manage tax rate and tax groups, generate tax summary reports and lots more. So those are the things that we are going to be benefiting if we register on this free account. So the next thing is for you to click on get free accounts and go straight to create your account. So that is that for that. Once you click on get free account, it will take you down to this place where you need to input your details and everything, your company name, your email, your phone number and a password. So that is all you need to know about how you can access the Zoho book software. If you've watched this video to this extent, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, drop your question in the comment section, and also subscribe. Subscription is free, so feel free to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop new videos. In our next video, we will be signing up on the Zoho book app. So feel free to click the next video that pops up on my left hand side right here and watch how you can create your account on the Zoho Books. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. If you are trying to set up your Zoho Books and you are not sure how to verify your account the right way, this video will guide you through it in a simple and practical way. Watch closely so you won't miss any step, because this verification is what will confirm your business identity and unlock the full features you need for proper bookkeeping. Let's get started. After you have created the account, you need to verify, as I said earlier. So in this video, I will take us through how we are going to verify our Zoho book cloud accounts. Once you input your email and your password, it will take you straight down to this place where you need to demand for an OTP for you to be able to verify your account. So here you click on send OTP, and an OTP will be sent to that same email that you drop. So what you need to do is to go to your email and copy the OTP, then you bring it down here. So once you come down to your email, you are going to see the message that would have been sent to you. You can see it says within 30 days you need to validate this. So you just confirm account, click on that link that has been sent to you, and it will take you back to this particular interface where you click on verify, and voila, it will take you here where you have your email address, blah 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 is verified, and your account is confirmed, and your account is now verified. Then you click on continue to sign in. So once you click on continue to sign in, it will load up and it will take you back to this place for you to input your password again before you can now finally have access to your main dashboard. So here we are. It has loaded up your first interface for you. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like, kindly click the like button so as to tell YouTube that we are gaining knowledge from this place. We are doing something wonderful here. Then it will load up for you and you will be back to this interface where you need to set up your organization profile. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to set up our organization profile the right and correct way in the Zoho Book app. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed. Hello and welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how to know your business profits, how to manage and document your business finances better for a proper and a safer accounting and bookkeeping. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria, Shuladrem 247, we will be looking at how to navigate through the Zoho Books dashboard. I believe if you are watching this video right now, you would have watched the previous training video from the beginning, and right now you need to know how you can navigate from one place to another on the Zoho Book app, which is what I will be showing us in few minutes. So all you need to do is to sit back, make sure you watch this to the end for you to understand each of the stages and sections of what you need to do and put in place as you make use of the Zoho Book. Let's dive right into it. So right now, the next thing you need to do once you have gotten to this interface is for you to click on No thanks. Then it will take you to your main dashboard. Here is the main dashboard, and in this place I'll be showing us how we can get to navigate to each of these sections. So first of all, let's start with what we have at the left hand side of our video. Here we have home. The home is the face you are seeing right now, which is this particular interface. This is where we call the home, where you have all other things. Then we also have the next one is item. If you look at, if you click on it, it has item. We have sales, we have purchase, we have banking, we have accounting, we have reports, and we have documents. All of these particular places are where you will be seeing your details once you started making use of it. So here is your get started button. We have recent updates, things that you just do will be showing in this particular place. Then if you come to this upper part where you have you we see it says you are currently in the free plan. So that means you are using the free plan. So if you want to upgrade, you click on upgrade. It will load for you and you will be able to do your upgrade. That is where you upgrade from. So we are not upgrading now. So let's go back. Then at this place, you are going to be seeing your business name, that business name that you used to register while you were registering. If you click on it, you will see that it will show you the plan you are on. If you are on free plan or you are on paid plan, either that of 11,000, that of 9,000, that of 445. You'll be seeing the plan that you are on. So that is for that. So on this account, you can see we're on free plan here. So you also check yours after you have created your account to know the account you created, because if you did not follow the steps I took in this video, you are likely to have signed up with a particular paid option, which after 14 days it will elapse and your account will not be able to run again. So make sure you follow the video and check all of these things for you to understand and know what you are doing is in the right path. Then we have the plus sign here. That is for quick access, just a kind of shortcut for all of the things you can do on the Zoho book. We have the general add user, items, journal entry, customer. We have the code, we have invoice, we have recurring invoice, sales receipt, we have customer payment, we have credit note, we have purchase, is vendor expenses, bank transfer, card payment, owner drawings, and other incomes. All of this we will be touching every part of this. So at this place you can just see the shortcut. That is what this plus sign is for. And if you come down to this particular icon here, which is the notification icon, and you click on it, you are going to be seeing all your notification right here. And what does this do? If you want to upgrade, or if you upgrade, you will be seeing all your notifications from this end. That is that regarding the notification. Zoho Books will always notify you when you need to be notified on a particular thing. Maybe after upgrading, if your upgrade fee is about to elapse, you'll be notified, and so on and so forth. Then the next icon there is setting. This setting give you access to set up some other things that you did not set up while you were creating your account. It will take you to that particular stage that you need to do one or two settings on. So you can see it. This is where it took us to, which if you want to do anything, you click on that thing and set it up. We will still be using this particular icon very well as we proceed. Then at the other side, you are going to be seeing your personal profile, which is your profile icon, your profile picture. And for the profile picture, you can add up your picture. Feel free to add your picture. So for your profile picture, you can see you can add up your picture. Is not by force, is a choice. So here you can see the profile picture. You can see your profile icon here where you have your name and all other details. So right now, if I want to edit this my name, because I just created this particular account for this video, so you come right down here to click on my account. It will load up and take you to your personal profile. So at this place, so here is my profile now for this particular account. In this place, you can choose to edit anything you have here, and from here you can also upload a picture to your profile. So just click on it. It will take you straight down to your gallery, and then you will have access to be able to scroll through your phone and get the picture you want to upload. So I'll go do that now. So I'm going to adjust it to fit in my face. Then once it fits in my face, see, you zoom, use this button here to zoom in and zoom out, and let it be the way you want it to be. So now it's set. You can see it says, who can view your profile picture? Is it only myself, or you click on anyone that can view your profile picture? So I will pick in anyone, then I will click on update. So also make sure you do all of these settings that I am doing on your account to make your account look professional and neat. So that is that for the profile picture. So let's assume you don't want to use this name. You come right here and click on this edit, and it will give you access to edit all other details, where you'll be able to input the details that you want that your account to always show. So move around and click, and then you edit whatsoever name you want it to be showing for you. So pick the gender, make sure all of these things are correctly, so you can see that we have fixed our profile picture and it has shown on our account right here. So anytime you are doing anything, this profile picture will be showing for you. So right now, if you want to edit any of this name that you have here, maybe the name you don't want to use it, or you want to add something or remove something, just click on this edit and it will give you access for you to wipe off, clean, and do whatsoever you want to do on this spot. You can see you can choose to change to anything at this spot. Here, then you pick your gender, and that's that about that. So your country, you can also edit and pick whatsoever you want to pick, or whichever country you are from. Then you click on save, and all of these settings will be correctly saved on your phone. You can see it has changed to the details that I just fill in the column of each of this section. So that is that about the profile section. Then if you come down, you have my email address. View and manage the email address associated with your account. They can be used to sign in and to reset password if you ever forget it. So this is your email account, should in case you want to write it somewhere so that you won't forget. And you can also add another email. Just click on add email and input the email that you want to input for the purpose of your business, and boom, you are good to go. Once you have input it, you click on add, and it's going to add up for you. Let me add an email for us to see. So to add the email, you just click on it and click on add, and it will give you a prompt that you need to input to verify that it's really you. So that is that for that. Then my mobile number, view and manage all of the mobile number associated with your account. You can choose to add a mobile number, which is your phone number, and click on add also. So once you do that, it's going to display this box for you. You are trying to perform a sensitive operation. Click here to verify yourself. So you just click here so as to verify that you are the one. It will take you to your phone, and then you will be asked to input an OTP that was sent to you. You can see they've sent me an OTP. Let's go check the OTP out. Then you copy it and you go back to paste it just for verification purpose. You paste it. Once you paste it, it will give you the access to add whatsoever you want to add. You can see once you input, you need to type out this particular captcha that is being shown to you, which is 5 capital U capital M 4 capital U capital X. Then you click on next, and you have to verify the phone number with the OTP that has been sent to you. So you can see 5513767. It says 5513767. That is the OTP sent to my phone number. Then you input it. After inputting, you are good to go. You've added your phone number. So you can add as many phone number as you like. It depends on you. So this is how you set up your profile to a standard level on your Zoho account. So that is that for that. Right now, we go back to our main dashboard. So now that we are back to our main dashboard, you can see at this side you have some other icons. We have, if you want to do a webinar, you can use this. Here is a Zoho notebook, and here is a sidebar widget. So that is all about how you can navigate through the Zoho Book software app and for the success of your account, and how you can operate on most of these different sections on the app. So right now we'll go ahead to the next thing, which is setting up the services and products that we are selling. Setting up the services and products that we are selling. That is the next video. So let's proceed. So that is that about the Zoho Book interface and how you can navigate through it. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and if you need an urgent attention, try to drop your question in the group. For those that might be seeing this video for the first time and are yet to be in the group, check out the link in the description of this video. You will gain access to the group link from there. And don't forget to like this video. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop the next video. Thank you and bye for now. Hello and welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how to know your business profits, manage and document your business finances better. In this video on CAC Business Name Registration Nigeria Sholadrim 247, we will be looking at how to set up the different items, products, or goods that we are selling on the Zoho Books. We will set it up, put the prices, and have it up for a proper bookkeeping. So let's go straight into it. All you need to do is to log into your Zoho app. So let's go straight into it. In this part of this video will be looking at how we can set up our items, each of the items that we sell, how we can set it up one after the other to have a proper record of them and a good bookkeeping. So all you need to do is to come to this left hand side and click on item. It will display this box, then you click on this plus sign. Plus means to add something. Then this interface will pop up for you. So let me explain one after the other before we go deep into it. You can see we have goods at this side and we have service at the other side. So anyone you want to work on is what you will need to click on first, which is the type of item you want to input. The next thing is the name of that item, followed by the unit. The unit here, we have box, we have centimeter, we have dozen, we have feet, we have gram, we have some items that are sold in inches, we have kilogram, we have kilometers to selling lands and stuff, we have milligram, we have milliliter, we have meter, we have pieces. So you are going to be picking any one of these units that fit into what you are imputing, to what you are selling. If what you are imputing has to do with kilometer, milligram, milliliter, pieces, or dozen, or inches, that is what this unit is for. Then the next thing here, you can see the selling price. You impute your selling price in this spot, and at the end your selling price is going to show. And for this selling price, if you are imputing, don't add comma or full stop to the number. For example, if you want to impute 15,000, don't say 15,000. It will not work out like that. Don't put it this way. It will not work out like that. It will come back to give you 0. Because it's going to round the figure up. So no need of adding comma to it. Just impute your number straight. Then the next one is the account. Here, if you click on this place, you are going to be choosing which account this is for. Is for sales. So you pick sales. Then the description. What is it exactly for? You add the description of that product to this particular place. Then for those that are collecting VAT, if you are selling a product that is vatable and you are collecting VAT on that product, you would have set this your VAT up, so you'll be adding the VAT for the product. And for those who might want to say, oh, I want to be adding VAT to my product, there is a way around it. You need to have a license certificate before collection of VAT, before you can add VAT to people's products. So that is that for that. So that is what you will be adding here. And if you are collecting the VAT, you will be remitting it to the government at the end of the month. So the VAT charges will not be deducted from your own money, but your customers will be paying it direct with the money they will be paying you for your goods or services. So that is how that's placed. Now let's go deep into it. We'll be fixing both goods and services. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now come here and input the name. Let's use bag. Bag is measured in pieces, maybe 2 pieces of bag or 3 pieces or 5 pieces. Then the price, let's say our price is 10,000 per bag. Is a sales account. Then let's put and bag. And if it's traveling bag, you impute it. Once you set this up, you come down to this last line down below and click on save, and this item will be saved to your item list. You can see we have saved this. Now you go again to impute another product, another item that you are selling. Click on that item and click on the plus sign and impute it the same way. And it will pop up this box for you. Let's impute. This is rice. And units. How many units is it? 50 kg. So let's say kilogram. Then the selling price, maybe we sell our rice for 50k. You impute your 50k is also a sales account, and you impute the description: a bag of rice, or you say a bag of other rice. Once you impute that, you come down here and click on save. It will be saved for you. You can see you've saved this. So for the last time, let's go again and impute another item plus to give you this. Then you impute which other goods can we also use as example. Let's use stationaries. Let's use books. Yes, we're still selling those items. So you pick the units, dozen of book is sold at 2,000 naira. Oh, is sold at 2,000 naira. It's a sales account and description. You say 1 dozen of 60 leaves book, and then you come here and click on save, and it will be saved. Item has been added. So that is that about how you can set up your items for goods that you are providing. In the next video, we will look at how you can set up different services that you render for people on the Zoho app. I am Deborah Rafiu, owner of Sholadrem 247. If you watch this video to this extent and you are yet to like, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Hello and welcome. First, let me say this clearly. You did not waste your money on this course. You made a smart decision for your business. My name is Deborah Rafiu, and I am the founder of Sholadrem 247 Consults. I work with business owners and vendors to help them put proper record-keeping system in place and become tax ready using different practical tools like Zoho Books. This masterclass was created because too many businesses are struggling, not because they are not making sales, but because they do not understand their numbers. When records are wrong, profit is unclear, and tax issue appears. This training fixes that. Everything you will learn here is practical, simple, and actionable. No accounting grammar, no confusion. Feel free to ask any question at any time. You will see exactly what to do, how to do it, and why it matters to do it. If you stay committed and follow the video step by step, you will leave this class with clarity about your business records, confidence in using Zoho Books, and peace of mind going into the tax era. I encourage you to watch each section of the video carefully, take notes, and practice alongside the video. This is not content to rush. This is knowledge to apply. So therefore, make sure you use this knowledge properly. And once again, welcome. You are in the right place. Let's begin. Right now, we'll go straight to our first video. Make sure you watch the video, drop your question, and don't forget to do any class activity that was mentioned in each of the video as your practical step of learning. Let's go there. After you have created the account, you need to verify, as I said earlier. So in this video, I will take us through how we are going to verify our Zoho Book Cloud accounts. Once you input your email and your password, it will take you straight down to this place where you need to demand for an OTP for you to be able to verify your account. So here you click on send OTP, and an OTP will be sent to that same email that you drop. So what you need to do is to go to your email and copy the OTP, then you bring it down here. So once you come down to your email, you are going to see the message that would have been sent to you. You can see it says within 30 days you need to validate this. So you just confirm accounts, click on that link that has been sent to you, and it will take you back to this particular interface where you click on verify, and voila, it will take you here where you have your email address, blah 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 is verified, and your account is confirmed, and your account is now verified. Then you click on continue to sign in. So once you click on continue to sign in, it will load up and it will take you back to this place for you to input your password again before you can now finally have access to your main dashboard. So here we are. It has loaded up your first interface for you. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like, kindly click the like button so as to tell YouTube that we are gaining knowledge from this place. We are doing something wonderful here. Then it will load up for you and you will be back to this interface where you need to set up your organization profile. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to set up our organization profile the right and correct way in the Zoho Book app. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladvem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed.